The full roadmap to ethical hacking 2025 tools, skills, and career roles. Wanna become an ethical hacker? Not just someone who watches tutorial, but a real professional who understands how hackers think and how systems break. Then this is your ultimate roadmap. From basics to red teaming to blue team defense, let's build your hacking journey level by level. Basic level, the foundation. Every strong hacker starts with a strong foundation. Here's what you need to master in the basic level concepts: IP addressing, subnetting, OC model, and TCP or IP stack, DNS, DHCP, NAT, HTTP versus HTTPS, virtual machines, VMware or VirtualBox, Linux basics, commands, shell, common attacks, DOS, phishing, malware tools, Wireshark, packet analysis, Nmap, network scanning, Netcat, port scanning, Burp Suite Community Edition, Nikto, web server scanner, OSCP, Hydra, Metasploit, basics, Recon 8. Long-distance intermediate level, getting real. Let's enter the intermediate level where theory turns into real practice. Key concepts: web exploits, SCLI, XSS, CSER, file upload vulnerabilities, reverse shells and payloads, enumeration, and recon, basic privilege escalation, MITM attacks, password cracking, and social engineering tools. Burp Suite Pro, advanced fuzzing, Skullmap, GoBuster, Derb Responder, poisoning networks, Hashcat, John the Ripper, C Toolkit, social engineering empire, Powersploit, Autoracon, NetDiscover, Maltego, advanced level red teaming. This is where elite hackers play. Red teaming simulates real cyberattacks to test organizations. Concepts: Active Directory attacks, Kerberosting, pass the hash windows, privilege escalation, malware development, lateral movement, and pivoting AV or EDR evasion tools. Cobalt Strike, Mythic, Sliver C2, Bloodhound, Sharphound, Crack Map Exec, Mimikets, Rubius Chisel, Grok Tunneling, Metasploit Pro, Puppy Bug Bounty, and Blue Teaming. Wanna hunt bugs for money or defend systems in real time? Bug bounty tools: Amass, Subfinder, Econ, FUF, DirSearch, content discovery, Nuclei, DAO-Fox, vulnerability scanning, Burp extensions, Parameter, Retire, Jays, JS Recon, Link Finder, Secret Finder, Shodan, Census, Blue Team concepts: threat hunting, log analysis, malware analysis, incident response, SIEM tool, Splunk, Elk, Mitri, PT, and CK framework tools, Wireshark, Shark, Velociraptor, Yara, Sysmin, Snort, Securing, Onion Cloud, Firewall, and Anonymity Cloud is the new battleground. Hackers now target S3 buckets, EM policies, and serverless functions. Cloud security concepts: AWS, Azure, GCP enumeration, misconfig, SYN metadata tools, ScoutSuite, Paco, CloudMapper, EnumCloud, CloudSploit, firewall bypass tools, WUFs, FUF, Burp, Intruder, Cloudfail, Tor, Proxicanes, HPing3, Scapy, Cuckoo Sandbox, Alien Vault. Psychological tools: mind hacking. The weakest link in any system is the human. That's where social engineering dominates. Mind hacking tools: social engineering toolkit, SCT, GoFish, email phishing, deepfake tools, OSCP tools, Spitterfoot, Recon, and Maltego.